My reading log assignment. In this one, I chose Bear Snore On by Karma Wilson, and the illustrator is Jane Chapman. Many of you guys probably have read this, and this was a really good book. I really like this book. Um, First of all, I want to talk with the setting of the story is in a bear cave, of course, and the illustration. I really like the illustration because, well, first of all, it's made up of acrylic painting, and it has some very beautiful and big pictures. Like over here, you can tell that it's really cold and that there's a big snowstorm going on, um, and once it's inside the cave, it's really warm, and you can tell the difference, how the illustration enhances the differences between the conditions of the cold, um, windy snowstorm, and then you can compare it with the warm conditions of the Big Bear cave. And the characters, obviously, it's about the main character would be the bear, and then it goes on with all those animals, which is like a bunny, a mouse, a badger, a mole, or the raven. um, some of the themes that I would talk about with this book is oops, sorry, bear, about the bear and some other animals that hibernate during winter time, and parties, about sharing and friendship, kindness, and judging. I think that would be one of my main themes in this book. Judging, because a lot of people, judge people by the appearance, and like, for example, many people think that bears are mean because it's big and they growl really loud and they eat everything. So we have a perspective that they are mean as a children. Maybe they are mean in real life, but I mean, like in this book, I think that's they're trying to give us a different, perspective and lesson. Of course, the plot is about a big and fluffy bear that he hibernates through the winter time, and then some other animal, they try to get in. They get in his cave to stay warm, and then they actually, each of them go in. Each of them bring a different type of snack. Some of them take a tea, like the hare takes a tea. You can see him, and the other one takes some popcorn and nuts and all kinds of snacks. Everybody has shares something that they have, and then it was really doing. They were doing really great until the bear sneezes. And try to get. They even like were dancing. They were having tons of fun. They were even eating a lot. And then, okay, the bear sneezes, and you can tell he sneezes, so he scared all the animals away. And then, so obviously they were scared because he's big and he sneezed really loud. So they found out that bear wasn't trying to hurt him, that he just wanted to join in the party and have some fun, just like they did. And at the end of the story, the funny part was that as Bear was trying to have fun with his company, the other animals were already tired and they fall asleep on his lap. So the other animals were already um, tired. And my reflective personal um, response would be about judging. It's a good book to teach the kids a great lesson about judging, you know, animals and people by their physical appearance. You will not don't judge the book by the cover. We will talk about that, and then some of the activities. I have a bunch of activities on my reading log, but I don't want to go all of them. But the main activity that I think it would be nice is the imaginary potluck, or possibly a real one. I didn't wrote it down, but I did thought about it. the imaginary potluck would be like give each child a plastic plate or a foam plate, and then I will pass out food magazine or magazine that has some type of food, and then they will cut out their favorite food, and they will paste it on the plate, and then we will have this special setting in the classroom. We will all meet, and then we would even pretend we have a little campfire in there, and just have some fun, and possibly maybe we could make some masks of some of us pretending to be bears, some of us pretending to be a hare or a mouse. So the imagination is endless in this activity. There's so many activities that went through my mind in this. So that's about it for tonight, and hope to see you guys next week. Have a good weekend, people.